Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. Today we have a very exciting product. Shazam! Felix Ketchup and Caesar sauce. Let's begin. So, first let's try Felix Ketchup. The best ketchup from Finland. Here we go. Ooh, look at the color, man. Look at the color. The thickness of it. The smell of it. Let's taste it. I really like the texture. It's not like too soft, but not too thick either. Like it's perfect combination of sweetness and salt. Okay, next we have Felix Caesar sauce. It's called Caesar because it's from ancient Rome.
Bro, aren't you my bro? You're not consumer goods expert. What the fuck, bro?
I can be everything I want, man.
Aren't you what? Can I have your autograph, bro? I wanna.
Yeah, sure.
I can see that you have this artist thing. Can I? I don't know.
Okay. So, Felix Caesar sauce. Let's taste it. Ooh, look at the texture. The smell, fresh. Here we go. Now that hit the spot. I can smell the Parmesan cheese in this, and also the fresh herb and garlic. I will give these products 10 out of 10, just because they sponsor us. Thank you, Felix. And now let's go see the taster show. Let's go. Let's go on a taster kick. Follow me. Why so slow? Let's go. Faster. Taster's playing.